Yambute, Nengotadi, are you there? Jambo. Hello, Sister Diana, you're right. Say something, please. Are you there? Can you hear me, Sister? Okay. Nengotadi, are you there? I think we're in trouble. Just don't move, just 1 minute. I think. Tetan is here. Yambute Tetale.
Yambute Tanapandu.
Vimpi.
Ingeta.
Nengo Diana, Sister, can you say something? Can you hear me, Sister? Sister
No,
Diana?
I don't think she can hear you.
No, she can't.
I can hear.
Oh, you can hear him? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Good,
Sorry.
good. Thank you very much. Let's just say hello to the audience. We are sorry, some tech issues here. Give me 2 minutes. We're coming back soon. I'm here.
Tanapandu, your voice, you sound kind of like far away from the mic.
Oh, yeah.
Me?
Oh, yeah, this is better.
Okay, I'll pull myself a bit more in.
Not you, sister. Not you, sister. It's me. Okay now. Am I okay?
Right.
Can you hear me?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Yeah, it's better now.
I didn't speak. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you find that, Sister Dan. No, you find.
Can you hear me? I've pushed it
Yes,
louder.
we can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Tetale, am I okay? Can you hear me, Tetale?
Yeah, I can hear you, but you sound a bit like you're somewhat far away from the mic.
Is it okay now?
Okay, so should I take off the head? Maybe put
No,
the headphones.
not you.
No, it's not you.
Okay.
It's Tatampandu.
Yeah, Tata Panzu, yes.
Is it okay now?
I can't hear him at all.
Oh,
No.
she cannot hear you. She can hear us, but she cannot hear you.
Okay. Can you hear me, Sister Diana? Yes?
He's asking, can you hear him, Sister Diana?
No.
No.
She can't
This is
hear you,
it
Tatampandu.
must be your side. Okay. We are sorry if you are watching. Thank you very much. This is a Kikongo class. I'm sorry, some tech issues here, but let's see if we can improve. Two-tone delay. You still can't hear me, Nengo there. No. You can't hear me. No.
Yeah, he's asking if you can hear him, Diana, and it sounds like you cannot hear him.
No. I can hear both.
Okay, give me 2 minutes.
And can you say your name?
Don't worry. Just say what you
The
are.
lady. The lady.
Give me 2 minutes. Don't worry. Just say what you are.
She's not. I can hear. Yes, I can hear you both clearly.
Okay, don't worry. Don't move. Just stay where you are, please.
I cannot see or hear.
No. I'm hiding.
Mapanzu.
If you can say to Nengwa Diana, just to say where she is, I'm checking something.
Sure. He said, just hold on. He's checking something on his end.
Yeah, give it to me.
I cannot see or hear him.
Yes, he's not. He just has a screen background.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Where is it? This is very strange today. Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Oh, thank you very much. Two-tone daily. Two-tone daily. Yes. Okay, that's fine then. Two-tone daily.
Yes.
Let's go. We need to move.
Gizambote, welcome if you're watching. We are Kikongo class. We're here every Saturday, sorry. Every Sunday from 5 p.m. London time. Okay, let's go then. We are going back to basics because we need to help Sister Diana. Let me see if I can display my slide. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Oh, bear with me. Where are we? Don't move. Yes, I need to share something quickly. I need to share my screen. Okay. Anyway, we from here, see. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you very much. We're going back to basics. These Kikongo numbers. Kikongo. 1, 2. Sorry. The reason I'm laughing is because this is what we need. This is why we say we need to come early, because if you have issue, we can fix it before going live. Anyway, Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambonu, Sambwadia, Nana, Kumi. Sister Diana, are you brave enough? Can you try to read, please?
Mam Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambonu, Nasambwadi, Nana, Kimai.
Can you help that Alan, please?
Yeah, it's Kumi.
Kumi.
Yeah.
Okay, Kumi.
Thank you, my sister. Oh, okay. I think that is here.
Sorry, I'm late. I was looking for my papers. I don't know where they are.
How are you, Tata? Oh, sister's here. Oh, the whole class is here. Gambote.
Gizambote.
Oh, welcome. We miss you.
Miss you all too.
We're going back to basics because we have our new sister, new friend, Tat Nengwa Diana from London. Yes. Utondele. Tatale, if you can read for us, because you help us, Tatale. You are teacher assistant. Tatale.
Yeah.
Nengwa, we say Nengwa. We call each other Nengwa Tata. Nengwa means sir. Sorry. Madam. Tatale, Nengwa, Diana, sister, if you can read the Pavala, the first number, please.
Are you asking me to read it?
Me?
Sister Diana is going to read, but
okay.
Tatale, pay attention. And the reason I'm saying that, I know why I'm saying that. Tatale, sister, going to read. Tatale, pay attention. Make sure. Go ahead, please.
Mapavala.
Thank you, Tatale. No, just that one, please. Tatale,
okay.
You need to do something.
Mapavale.
It's okay. Thank you, sister. Tatale.
Okay, so Mpavala.
Yes.
Pavala.
Well done. Yes. Pavala. We M is there because of the tone. Kikongo is a tonal language, so nasal. Pavala. That's what I say. Pavala. You don't read M. No, Pavala.
Oh.
Pavala.
Can you try again?
Pavala.
Pavala. Again, please.
Pavala.
Well done. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu. 7, Sister Diana, please, 7.
Somebody.
Well done, yeah. Yeah. Carry on, please.
Nana. Va.
Yes.
Vua.
Voa. Kumi.
Well done, Kumi, yes. Tutondele. Name cadence. You're right, sister. You know, I'm always picking on you.
Yeah.
You know, try, please, go from Pavala to please.
Okay. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambuda,
Sambuadia.
Sambuadia, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Wow, well done, Kumi, yes. Let me just talk this for the audience as well. Kikongo is a proto-language. Tatale, can you help us? I think we'll talk about that.
Yes,
Kikongo is a proto-language, meaning Tatale. Take a proto like in industry. Proto.
I honestly don't remember.
No, Kikongo is before many languages. Hebrew, Kikongo.
Oh, okay. You mean okay? Okay.
In this sense, go ahead.
Yeah, so it's it's almost like Latin. It's a base language. So
yes, before Latin, we was there before Latin.
It became before Latin.
It was actually even before Latin. So other languages derived from it as a source.
Yes. The reason I'm saying that, when I'm speaking, I need to pause a bit because these are sensitive issues, no? we're talking about us, you know. You understand? Read it between the lines. I don't want to talk too much. You understand what I'm saying? Egypt is there. Egypt, you and me. Egypt is there before Abraham was born. Yes.
Yes.
So you understand the implication of my words. I don't want to go totally. You understand? So in Egypt, the language spoken in Egypt was mixture of Kikongo, Wolof of Senegal, Chiluba in Congo. I'm not joking. You understand? This is before the massive immigration towards South of Africa. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes. When you read in the Bible, when you read in the Bible, Joseph was talking to his brothers through a translator. Remember this? Yeah. He was speaking an African language. Kikongos, bit of Congo, all those languages. Yes, you are safe. Hebrew language came well after. We have 300 words, Kikongo words in Hebrew language, yes? Thanks, Tonda in Kikongo. In Hebrew language, you say Toda. So who was before who? You get me that, you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that should be enough. You know what I'm trying to say. That should be enough. We are live. Okay. Then what tell you? Are you fine with this one? Numbers, yes?
Yes, I'm fine with numbers.
Yes. Okay, we're going. Any question, Sister Diana?
No.
Just remind me, I'm going to send you this file. So.
Thank you.
Pavala, Mosi Zole, Tatuya, Tanu, Sambanu, Samboadia, Na, Voix, Kumi. This one you have to memorize it. Yeah, you need.
Yeah.
There's no choice. You have no choice because you see what I mean. Because moving, this is just tens are just You have a Maku, Matatu, that is free. Kumi, Makumole. Lingua, Diana, can you? Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm still there. Lingua, Cadence, over to you, please. If you can read for
So read the whole thing.
please.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadi, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Thank you very much. Well done. Sambanu, Sambwadi, Nana, Kumi. And then now go to tens. We begin with Kumi, Makumole, Makuma Tatu, Makuma Ya, Makuma Tanu, Makuma Sambanu. Sorry, I can't share I can use my pointer. Start. We have Kumi 10, then we have Makumole, Mole, Zol is hidden there, Tatu is hidden 30, Ya, units, yeah, Nengwa Dana.
Yeah.
If you go, let me just go back quickly.
Oh.
Remember, Zole, there is Mole, but Zole, Tatu, all the units are hidden there. When we say Makumole, we're talking about Mole, Zole, which is 2, Tatu.
Yeah.
All the suffixes here are your units. Can you read Sister Diana, please? Kumi, please.
Okay. Kumi, Maku, Mole, Makumat Tatu,
Matatu,
Makumaya, Makumatanu,
Sambanu.
Sambunu.
Makuma Sambanu. Thank you very much. You have an hyphen between Maku and the more. This is, you don't write like this in Kikongo. I'm not a linguist. Just write as the one word because it flows. Makumole, you don't pause. Maku mole, no. Makumole. But just for the sake of learning. So all the tens up to 60 prefix is Maku, Maku, Maku. Are we clear on that? That only, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You learn the language spoken by pharaohs. How to call them? The kings of Egypt, emperor. Yes, this is it. Kermit. This is the other word for. Sorry, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, up to 60. Maku 70 prefixes lu lu. Lusambadia, Lunana, Louvois. If you can read, please.
Somebody.
Lusambadia, be careful. Lusambadia, although Lusambadia is fine. Lusambadia depends on variant. Lusambadia, please.
Lusambwadi, Lunana, Louvois.
Louvois, then 100
Limos.
Don't worry, sister. You can just stop in Louvois. Don't worry.
Okay.
That 100. That Allen 100. Comma, yes. Okay, I think we should stop there. And I'm just sure that any questions on this one?
So Nkama is spelled Nkama.
Yeah, comma, Nkama, yes. We can, next time we'll come back to that. Let me just try to share. Oh, I almost lost my phone. Give me 1 minute, sorry. Thank you very much for your time. I know it's Sunday, but this is African. Yeah? We need to honor our ancestors. Only Africans say that. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Only Africans say we need to honor our ancestors. We are the only people that say Africans. Yes, yes. There is a reason, because we are not from the philosophy of what's the person name, Jean-Paul Sartre, the philosophy of individual autonomy. That is the
Yes.
philosophy of individual autonomy. Yes. When you talk about existentialism in practice, this is it. The other philosopher was René Descartes. Was he? I think, yeah. He said, "Je pense et je suis. I think, then I am." But Africans will say, "I think, then we are." You understand? That makes any sense. A bit of philosophy here. Now you're on mute.
Oh, is that what René Descartes actually said?
Sorry?
Did he actually say?
I can't hear you.
Did he actually say that?
Oh, he actually said, I think Africans would say, I think, then we are.
Say it again, then what did you go ahead?
Did René Descartes actually say Africans would say, I think?
Go on. Then we are, yes? Yeah.
Okay, so you're using the verb to be.
Yes, he's saying
the verb to be is I am, you are, he, she, it is.
Yeah.
We are, you are, they are.
Yeah, we were talking about the philosopher. He said in French, the philosopher, je pense, I think, je pense et je suis. Because I think, then I am, yes. But we say, I think, then we are. This African philosophy, yes?
Oh, so we always think in the plural, not in the singular.
Yeah, Ubuntu. Mandela philosophy and the Desmond Tutu. I mean, Mandela, when I say that, these people that underline, popularize the philosophy. Ubuntu. We are.
Excuse me.
You take a child to raise. How do you say that?
It takes a village to raise a child.
Yeah. You know the explanation on that, Tatale? This is massive, this is African. You know what? When they say village, I mean, we're not talking village in terms of Occident, West. Village is village. If one kid is misbehaving, it's not my child, I mean, not from our home, I should help him, discipline that child. Because if I didn't do that, my own child, because that child will be corrupt, I mean, quote unquote. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
That's why we don't. Okay, we are live. Okay. Then what kind of, are you with me?
I'm listening. I mean, I'm learning something.
African philosophy. Okay. Yeah, this us, yeah. Okay, Kikongo is a Tatale, can you help us, please?
Yeah, Kikongo there's the screen background that I'm having a hard time seeing it. Kikongo is an intonation language. Pronunciation is very important because it can change the meaning of a word. Please mind the long vowels.
Yeah. Nengwa Diana, the way you pronounce a word, basically you give the meaning to a word by the way it sounds. So this is critical. Make sure you take your time, you pause it, and that's all, please, Kevin.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Yeah, this is not me. This is an author, Professor Hazel Carter. Okay. We're going back just to help our sister. This is the very first lesson ever. Kiambote. Nengwa Diana, can you read please? Kiambote.
Cambote.
Thank you. Kiambote. How are you, Kiambote? Long vowel. We don't write like it. It's just spelling. How to say it? That's for the spelling. To help you to pronounce correctly.
Yeah.
Tata. We just write one A, but no, it is long vowel. Tata. You don't read tata.
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 Thank you very much, Tata.
Tata.
So this is this is a phonetic spelling. Yes, you don't write like this, but Tata. We have a word. Listen carefully. We have a word in no, just one. There are many words. You know how you say squirrel in Kikongo? Kaka. I'm gonna write in private. Can you see on private? Can you see?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You mean in the chat? In the chat, yeah.
Yeah. Listen careful. Kaka is grandmother, grandfather. Kaka. Nkaka is something else. Yes?
What did you say the meaning of Nkaka is?
He's on the
Squirrel.
Yeah, it's like a squirrel. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, so the short vowel is squirrel. The long vowel is like grand.
yes, yeah,
Grand.
right there, yes. Tricky. It's hard, yeah, it's hard.
So the spelling is similar, but the sounds are different.
You right, you see right the same way, yes. Let us move to the next one. Can you read that name out there on the car? Sorry, Tata.
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 We have a Nengwa. This is just a phonetic spelling. You don't just write with just
Nengwa.
one E. Nengwa, please.
Nengwa.
Sister Candace, can you read, please? Nengwa.
Nengwa.
Thank you very much. Nengwa. Elo.
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 Hello.
Tutondele. Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Ingeta. Again,
Ingeta.
Ingeta. Ingeta. Tutondele.
Ingeta.
Well done. Wow. Ve.
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 No. Tutondele. Okay. We have okay, this is it, something. We have a long vowel sa. Totally over to you. Help us.
Yeah.
We have two sala. Can you just try to then what's the name of the end? We have two sala in Kikongo. The long and the short vowel.
Sala. Kumbeto.
Don't worry, the sister then 1 minute. Totally, can you explain to sister, please? We have two sala, but different meaning.
Yeah, there's the long vowel sala, and then that is like to stay, and then there's a short vowel sala, which is to work.
Thank you very much. This is it. You write exactly the same way. You don't write double A, just one A. But you give your pronunciation gives the meaning to the word. This is critical, yeah. Go ahead, sister Sala Kiambote, please.
Sala Kambote.
Kiambote, thank you, Sala Kiambote. Goodbye. Take note. Brackets. Stay well. Said by a person living. Wenda Kiambote, sister. Again, go again, sister.
Wenda Kumbate.
Wenda Kiambote. Kiambote.
Kembio.
Kiambote.
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 Kiambote. Sorry, I know it's hard. Nusala Kiambote.
Nusala Kembote.
Tutundele. Okay, Nuenda. This is a plural. Nuenda. Nuenda Kiambote many.
Nuenda Kiambote.
Nuenda Kiambote many.
Nuenda Kembote.
Sorry. Kediambuko.
Kediamboko.
Kediambuko. No worries. Kiambote. Be careful.
Kiambote.
This is Diambote, not Kiambote. This is Diambote.
Diambote.
Diambote. Thank you. Away. Away.
Away. Away.
Away, yes.
Away.
Aquay.
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 Aquay. Where?
Aquay.
Thank you. So sorry, I'm rushing. Ekumanki.
Ekumaki.
Ekumaki. Ekumaki.
Be careful, the nasal is there. Nki. That time, can you try Nki?
Yeah. So it's Nki. So there's a nasal with the N, right? So that N is actually a nasal.
Yeah, Nki.
So the key is like I guess.
Key.
Yeah, think of the key to open the door, like key. Nki.
Ikumaki.
Inki.
Thank you.
Ekumaki.
Ikumaki.
Kiwakwe.
Kiwakwe.
Kiwakwe. Yes. Titondele. Santuka. Okay, I need to pause a bit here. Tata, you're going to help us. You are the one that asked the question last Sunday. Santuka.
Yeah. So Santuka is it's like saying bless you to a child. So if a child sneezes or something, you say Santuka.
Yeah, Tata, explain it again. Yeah.
Specifically
for
Samsuka.
Sansuka.
We only
Samsuka.
We only say that. We only say that to a child. Tata, remember?
Yes.
Yes. We don't bless. I mean, I don't mean in a rude way. Well, this is a tradition. Huh? Basically, when mom is birthing a child, when child sneezes, it's a good sign, meaning that she's fine. Then you bless them by saying Santuka. Sister Candace, you're on mute.
Sansuka.
Yeah, the Sansuka, yes.
Sansuka.
Undoloka, forgive me.
Undoloka.
Away over vele.
Away
over
vele.
Okay.
Away over vele.
Yes.
Okay, Sister Diana, sorry, you're going to hit the ground running. Now we're stopping there. We're just pausing there. Vova is the verb. Away over vele. You single. What did you say? Tatale.
Yes.
Her. Him. Third person. What did she say? Basically, Tatale.
No. It's so. No, I got it. Give me a second.
Let me try to help Sister Diana. You know, of O before vovele, that O is your person pronoun. Yes. Mm. Mm. The verb is vova, vovele. When you vovele, you single. But when I put in on third person, this is my question to Tatale. We need to drop this O, then we replace with Tatale.
Away, is it Kivoville?
Almost there, just KA. Go ahead.
Okay, oh, away Kavoville.
Yes. Nengwa Candace, yes?
Away Kabovele.
Yes. Remember, this is Bantu language, our language. No worries. Vovele, sorry, I can't find the pointer. I don't want to move just leave it like this, otherwise you was going to lose everything. Okay. Sister Diana, are you with me? Vovele, yes?
Yes.
Can you see the verb? The verb is vova, vovele, but the first O is your personal pronoun. Yes?
Yes.
It is you as single. You, Y-O-U. This is you. Okay.
Okay.
When we say, what did she say? You drop that O, then replace with K-A. Aweka vovele.
Okay. Away Kabovele.
Yes.
Away
Tatale, I'm going to trick you now. first person, but I'm just going to get a hint. The hint is first person is always nasal. Yes. Rhetorical. Tatale, be brave.
So
Just try to apply the rule. Find the nasal. You drop in the O, but what gives you nasal? Go ahead. Yes, Tatale.
away Voville.
Well done. Yes.
Say that again.
So
I mean, we have the verb vova. Of course, here is just vovele, already first person. I mean, depend on the pronoun anyway. This is the verb vovele. The infinitive is vova. So,
can I ask a question? And I know
sorry?
it's probably it's going to take us into another area. So why wouldn't I use away Evoville?
Good question, but we just put it aside for the moment.
Okay, I figured that much.
No worry, because the issue is we haven't got to Kikongo, standard Kikongo. That's the main issue.
Okay,
yes?
all right. So okay, yeah, no, I got it.
When linguists are writing, everyone they do it according to their own way. The rule doesn't. But you're right.
So let me explain to. So the reason why I asked that is because the verb singa, like when we were going through the lessons, I think last time, like e singa, o singa, tu singa, nu singa, be singa, like we use I for the single, like the first person singular, like e singa I. So I figured, you could replace the O with the I for like to get that first person singular instead of.
I see what you mean. That's what I keep saying. The rules, the pattern is not, I would say 95% correct, but the other 5%, the pattern is very flexible.
Okay, so for Vovele, it's a unique situation where it's you using the
I wouldn't say unique Vovele. Vovele. What did I say? Yes. Any question, Tata? Are you quiet?
I'm just listening.
You're listening. Okay, Tata Ari, are you brave? Remember, I'm not trying to help here. We first plural TU, second plural LU, third plural BA. Yes? Okay, now you're going for first plural. What did we say? Away.
Is it away Kiovile?
First plural, the latest sister Candace. First plural, please.
She got the papers.
Away, away, Cavovele.
Fed, this is Fed, but we're talking about we mean the first plural.
Away, Kuvovele.
Tu vovele, yes. Away tu vovele, yes. Yeah.
I actually
True.
said Kuvovele, so
I
I
know.
got it wrong.
The reason I'm saying yes is because you're taking this from the negative. That would apply
okay.
if it's negative. I know it's not easy. I understand. I know. I get this. At least half of the question you did answer. Yeah.
So
Okay.
the two comes from like when we're saying like tu tondele, it's like
Well done, yeah.
think.
TU, yeah, we, yeah.
So that
Okay.
TU means we. Like when we say tu tondele,
Tondele.
we thank you. So that TU.
Mm. TU.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
TU, we, LU, Lu, you many, BA, Ba, Fed, plural. That audience, can you try Fed second plural, please?
Okay, go with because can you repeat the
Personal pronoun. We have from the first. Let me go back to the singular. Although Tatana is right because he keep moving. Singular, originally singular. E as I in English. E, you, first person you. Sorry, I go back. First person I mean, I'm speaking in Congo here.
I?
First person singular E, which is I in English. The second singular you, like union, yeah? Union, yeah? You. The letter, yes. The third singular K-A, K.
No, okay. I have a bone to pick here. You said you as in you mean O, right? Like ovovele, like O.
Second plural, second singular.
Right. It's the letter O, right? Not the letter U.
No. Let's say you in.
Also, the O gives the oo sound.
No. And second singular is you, as in the union, the word union. Yes.
Yeah. So, but I'm looking at the screen now. Ovovele says. What did you say? Right. The O is for you, right? So, is it interchangeable between the O and the U?
You're right. Yes. Yeah. That's I'm trying to. Yeah. This is correct. What you see on the screen is correct. Don't get me wrong, it's correct. But I'm trying just to flip it over, going back to another standard, same pattern, different way. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, all right, yeah. So are we? So we're saying it's interchangeable. You can say, "Oh,
it is, and you're right. I mean, it is. It is. Remember, we have mono. We have 3 kinds of personal pronouns. Yes, remember that.
Yeah.
Mono, ngina, and e. As you said, izolele, isinga. Mono is me. Ngina is me as well. So that's why I want to focus on. Sorry, Sister Dan, confusing, yeah.
You know, I was looking at the what is it? The PDF on the verb singa, right? Going or will.
Yeah.
Going or will. And it actually has the second singular as o singa. Like
you're right, yeah. This is correct. But I'm not a linguist, but they should simplify our language. Just make it simple. Yes. Okay, I'm going back.
And the reason why I'm explaining it this way because I remember when I started learning, just like the newcomers, it makes it easier if there's a standard pattern to learn it and then transition to the nuances. Otherwise, like the next time when I say they, I'm just talking about us in general, but like the newcomers,
I see what you mean. Yeah.
they'll be referring to their notes, and it's gonna be one thing, and then we may be talking about it from a different context, and it may cause some confusion. So
I see. I understand.
yeah, so that's the only reason why I'm not asking I'm asking the questions, kind of putting on their hats. When I first started learning, that was kind of like
I understand.
my experience.
I understand.
Until I kind of understood the nuances of like when, whether it's going to be an O or it's going to be a U. So we may want to stick to maybe a single pattern until like.
Okay, you said that you were looking on your PBF.
No, the PDF file, like the notes that I have, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have notes from. I got a whole book over here.
I go to that and I understand. Yeah. Yes, the confusion is between the old Kikongo and the modern one. Yes. Okay.
So I don't know. I mean, you're the professor here. Yeah.
I am, but the thing is, because there's no standard Kikongo, that's the issue. When I'm reading, I'm preparing myself. I'm reading books written by linguists. A bit confusing,
Yeah, no, for beginners like us, I think it makes sense to probably to stick to the non-nuanced. That way, when we get to
that's exactly what I'm trying to say. Yeah, okay. When we say E, first person, you as a union, second KI, this is clear. There's no nuance. Yeah.
Yep.
It's clear. Even easier when you use in the past. Remember. Same thing. But these are very old Kikongo. Yes. Two-tone. Okay.
Well, which one would you prefer? Would you prefer the old over the new, or the new?
Don't worry about the O, because O is confusing. Because if you say, let's just put this, just take this one. Let's try to practice on this one. If I say first person, totally, away over vele, it is not correct. It does only mean second person.
Yeah, no, that part I do understand that. Yes.
But in this case, by other case, you could have used the O for the third as well. Yeah.
That is absolutely true.
That's what I'm saying. We're sticking with the E. Sorry, we stop in 2 minutes. Then Wakanda is confusing. I'm sorry, confusing.
Yeah, it's kind of confusing. But I guess I'll just understand more as I go along.
Yeah, and if I may add one thing, right? I think what would help too is if there was some kind of if you can send us like a chart breakdown, specifically with like it doesn't have to be like it would have like listed like one of these verbs. I keep going back to the verb singa, because I think over time I know we've gone over that verb, and we've gone like a mono isinga, ngeye, osinga, yandi, kasinga, yeto, tusinga, like something like that kind of chart where it's visible, where you could see the nuances. Where
I'm looking right now. Just take notes.
Okay.
We have to stick with you. Sorry. Even when I'm writing you
trying to help y'all out. It's gonna be so much easier to see it that way. Because we're used to seeing like I, you, he, she, it, and then we, plural, we, and then they. If like you could visualize it that way, then you can kind of map it to what it's supposed to be in the Kikongo. Then when we're having these subjects, it's like you automatically can refer back to your notes and just map it.
Yeah,
that's what I did with my notes, and so it kind of makes it easier to then, when we're talking, if we're referring to like we, I can just go back and reference we is two, or you singular is O, right?
Yes.
So then when we start going over the sentence structures, yeah, something like this.
Can you take note, please?
I don't know if you guys can see that on your screen.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just do a screenshot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that U can also be an O. So like that word O.
I think we for the time being we need to change even I got you, Tanzania. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
We just need to. I mean, basically, we have to go to for lessons that are based on this one. Tanzania, yes.
Yes. No. Yeah. I got it.
Because here there's even
the
more.
questions are gonna come, right? So as we move on, yeah, I got it. I'm just kind of putting on there.
No, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. Tutondele. Any questions?
No questions from me.
Okay. A question for me, then. I got a question for me. Question from me. Sorry. From me, then. To go in Kikongo.
Oh gosh.
You can choose the word. Can choose the word.
I can't remember honestly, but that's such an easy one. I should know. Isn't it Singa?
Singa is your auxiliary.
Oh, Quenda.
Well done. Yes. Okay. He's not going. You have your text there. Everything is on the here. He's not
He is
going.
not going.
He's not going. You have your negative there on the screen. Your first
Call.
call at the end, but you have the first one goes with call. On the screen, it's there. It's there. He, she.
Oh, Ka.
Go ahead. Kakwenda.
Isn't it Ka?
Kwendako.
Ka Kwendako.
Kwendako.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, is it clear?
Oh yeah, no, I'm perfectly fine. I'm
Yeah,
good.
but tell you are. You're right. Nengwa Diana, you okay? Yes.
Yeah, I'm fine. It's my first lesson, so it's all going to go over my head, and I will eventually.
Did you take note of this?
Yes, I'm writing.
Okay. Tutondele. Tuyangalele. We are very happy. You can say hello. Someone, people are writing this. Was written. Okay. I don't know. PH. Greeting family. Thank you very much. Okay. Yes. Tutondele. That now, to make it clear for all of you, the first plural, before the two, you go your ka, katu, katukwendako, kalukwendako. Sister Candace,
Say that again.
Negative, kakwendako, she is not going, but from the plural, before your tu, you have your ka, katukwendako, kalukwendako, kabakwendako.
I don't know.
You know that? Don't worry. It's confusing. No.
This is when we're doing the negative. So like
because I almost want to put like Lindy because that means cannot, right?
Yeah. So when we were learning that, we were putting the either ki, ku, ka, and then at the on the plural side it was like instead of saying ka, ketu, we'll just say like katu, like kalu or kaba.
So
I mean, I do remember that, but it's like putting it together is when it's hard because in my notes I still have Lindy, which I know means cannot, but maybe
good.
I don't know.
No worries, good. No, we're getting there. Tutondele, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. I know it's not easy. This is Kikongo, language spoken by Pharaoh. I mean, when I say Kikongo spoke about Egyptian, I mean a mixture of Kikongo and other African languages. Tutondele, Luenda Kiambote. Name just said to that name Tata Nengwa Dan. We've just learned Luenda Kiambote. I'm saying you go well. You mean go well. Then you reply Sala Kiambote. Stay well.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
All right.
Tutandele.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikasi kongo diatumwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikasi kongo diatumwa
Pipa uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito reinado, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei, Palo do reino do Congo, Ninha Lukeni era o rei. Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei. Pode chamar de Zodila, se esquecendo uma máquina vida. Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi, essa imagem me identifica. Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração. Olha que nos fala mal, peço liberta da maldição. Origem de todos para Congo, como diz o velho ditado, com malogrado de talento. Eu irei devoltar, mas a questão ainda é esperar. Eu sou filho do Quimba, falo do Mwanza até Ebela. Onde que vem aqui Congo? Suentava na tenda Congo, Lovana Sanda, o Mono e Fuanda. Luiza em Panguizeto, eu tô onso, Tatuque Congo. Tala Edi Nkuluketo que ainda em Sangu, como Zabimba. E Mwana Congo, Kaleguese, Songengangu e Edi Nkulukiaku. Arrima do Cojojola, arrima do Cojojola. Sou pai do Emerson King.
Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikasi Congo diatungwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikasi Congo diatungwa
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora chega, vou buscar vitória. Kimavunga é minha terra, banda sagrada pra todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o velho ditado, a Congo não folha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, Mwana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do Manin Totila, quem conhece Nini Yalukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu. Fulumbinga Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo. Tetelando Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Nkondo, Yannick Ngogo e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Culumbimbi e o Yalangu. Pedra do Fitizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Banda Congo, o patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Mwana Cassandra de Mbau, Kimafundo, Uasa.
Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikasi Congo diatumwa
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Epa kundundu, pelekete pa kundundu.